right, guys, so looking at this beautiful Camaro right behind me, it's been raining today in California, so excuse the dirtiness. We'll make sure we'll clean it out. But you can't even tell where the hit was. The color is so dark, but it's right in the corner over here. The bumper got pushed in, and the entire diffuser on the back got damaged over here. So, and it's all PPF'd as well. So the customer really took care of his car and wrote the whole quality option by PPFing the entire car plus the carbon. But with the accident that he got hit with, unfortunately, we got to replace everything and fix and paint the rear bumper for him. Without further ado, let's get started on this project, and I'm super excited to be working on this car, especially after a long week of SEMA, of attending, seeing all the awesome cars, the manufacturers and the suppliers that we work with. Let's go ahead and get started, guys. Let me take you guys inside to show you guys what we got going on. So as you can see, the SS got dropped off right now, the first dropped off project post SEMA 2022. So as you can see, we're prepping some carbon fiber components for you guys over here. This is the ducklet trunk. Before we sell and ship out a trunk, we inspect it really good to the eye of the dot. We have awesome LED lighting in our showroom display, so we want to make sure everything is crisp, clean before we start packaging it. Yes, there might be potentially damage from shipping, but at least we're doing our homework to making sure that we're shipping out something clean and good to go. If there's any damages in future purposes, we do have claims and insurance and all that good stuff to make sure we take care and cover you guys' product that you guys purchased with us. Right here next to me is the ZL1 1LE conversion carbon fiber lip for our bumper from 2010 and 2023 conversion bumper kit, and ZL1 owners as well. We have 2 fitment item numbers for these, so these are really, really popular. The diffuser for the Gen 5 is also ready to go. We're just doing the final inspection, making sure the clear and the resin is all nice. There's no imperfections on it before we ship it out. And lastly, another Gen 5 ZL1 style diffuser that we're going to be offering for sale for our clients. This one might be on a special offer. If you guys are interested, let us know, just because our client wanted a diffuser on it, so we had to do some minor modifications to it. So if you guys want this one, I'll give you guys a special discount on that one, just because take it as is, but nothing wrong with it. Hope you guys are enjoying this time. I'll see you guys soon. Let's get started on our builds and show you guys what we got going on post SEMA 2022. All right, guys, something really exciting that I want to show you before I get going. I do have a quick appointment with Dino 2SS over here that's going to be coming down, talking about his amazing build that he's going to be upgrading a couple things before he picks it up. But check out this beautiful Gen 5 horn cover, full carbon fiber, and check out this amazing embossed detailed that we did the Camaro logo for him. The client wanted a full outline of the Camaro logo to go ahead and insert it into his horn to make it more official for him. And if you guys look up really, really close, the definition of the line in the candy red that we did for him just makes it super, super detail oriented and quality looking exposure to the steering wheel that it deserves. This is a must have for your Gen 5. It doesn't have to be in carbon fiber as well. If you guys want it to be in leather, Alcantara, or carbon, ready to go. For carbon fiber, we sell it for show purposes only. So if you have a show and your car is very out there, this is definitely the eye catcher of your steering wheel, but you can also have the leather and the Alcantara, no problem whatsoever. All right, guys, so this one over here is one of my favorites because it's our first time doing black letters to contrast with the one. So obviously our client has a ZL1 Gen 5. He wanted to try out the full out blacked out letters with the one being in blue to really catch attention to the ZL1 that he owns. Our client's been modifying his car for quite some time. He did the full bumper conversion with the carbon fiber insert, which is the most expensive kit that we offer on the market. So, and he did the steering wheel, and he was just missing that carbon hood, carbon horn to go ahead and complete it with his steering wheel. He got best of show, I think, recently, and one thing that he was bothered by is that ugly factory horn cover that didn't really blend in with our steering wheel so well. So he gave us a call. He's like, let's go ahead and make the carbon fiber one. I wanted the ZL in black and the one in blue to match over the blue carbon fiber that he got, and then kind of get it started from there. So we're super excited. We appreciate his business and support. This honestly is one of my favorite, and really thank you guys for keeping us busy on the carbon fiber interior kit. We have so much more new stuff coming out for the Gen 5 and the Gen 6 interior components. Remember, we stay away from the stick-on glue stuff where we don't really want to get into that market too much. We want to make sure we're providing you guys quality products by actual components in carbon fiber, so you guys have quality fitment and quality finish and luxurious eye-catching products when it comes to the interior mods. I'll see you guys soon. there you guys have it, the highlights of this awesome transformation that we just did for our client. Thank you so much for his full support on getting this entire bumper completed with us. Now, don't forget, if you want this hood to line up perfectly with the bumper that we manufacture, our ZR Automatic brand is the perfect hood for you. So make sure you purchase that. We do have 15% off on our holiday sale right now. Right behind me, a beautiful GT with some awesome lamp Ferrari style taillights just got dropped off for a new mod. What's that mod? Well, you gotta stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that sub button so you can stay updated with all the projects that we got going on. I'll see you guys soon.